In today's video, I'll be sharing 7 business ideas that you can start that can make you up to $1,000 per day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Carrie, and on this channel, I share ways to make money from home, business ideas, and mindset tips. So if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so once I upload other videos, you will be notified. Now, for most of the business ideas that I'll be sharing in today's video, majority of them will make you a lot of money, but be sure to stick around for number 5 and number 7 because these two doesn't require you to have experience and you can get started and start making thousands of dollars per week. So I will suggest that you stick around to the end of the video so you can further analyze which of these business ideas are perfect for you, because not a lot of people are talking about these business ideas. So definitely stay tuned. Let's get into the first business idea, and that is selling quotes on your social media. Did you know that there are thousands of people that are making money just by writing inspirational quotes and posting it on their social? So according to Laura Belgray of money.com, she gets paid $6,000 a day to write inspirational quotes for Instagram. And she goes through our article telling you exactly how this is done. If you read through this article that she wrote back in 2018, she charges $950 per hour, which means that she gets up to $6,000 per day. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see that she explains exactly what is it that she does, and it's super simple. So the client would give her an idea, which right here it shows original content. When you make your eating or exercise routine carry the burden of your self-esteem, it's going to buckle. However, she rephrases this for her client by saying, if your self worth is the number on the scale, it's going up and down every day. Now, this is something that I've seen going around on social media by different content creators where they're posting quotes on their Instagram and on their Facebook page, and they're getting engagements and views from these posts. And Instagram and Meta or Facebook actually pays you once you are eligible to be monetized for these views and these engagements. So this is by far one of the easiest way that you can actually make money just by repurposing or just rephrasing other people's quotes and putting them on your social media platform. Now, the next business idea that has been growing constantly over the years, and it's something that has been making people millions of dollars per year, even teenagers are making money from doing this type of business idea, creating your own Shopify store. Now, it has become super easy for one to create a Shopify store without having any money. Now, a platform like BuildYourStore.ai is able to create an AI generated store for you in minutes. And all you have to do is think of a product that you want to sell, and the platform will create a Shopify store for you. Now, I will highly recommend that you use social media, especially TikTok and Instagram, to find winning products that can potentially make you thousands of dollars per day. This is one of the ways a lot of people are able to become successful in their Shopify store because they're doing the proper research on these platforms and looking at what people are raving about. So going on TikTok Shop and looking at the different products that people are reacting to is definitely one way that you can research the product that you can sell on your Shopify store. Some of you may swipe away for number 3 business idea, and that is creating a YouTube channel. But before you swipe away, hear me out. YouTube is on easy mode. I'm not sure if you've been seeing these videos circulating on YouTube that it's on easy mode. This is because a lot of content creators are about to come over on YouTube amid the ban of TikTok. I think YouTube will become the number 1 platform for streaming and videos for content creators. And I think it will be more of those people that will be sharing live acts, their day-to-day routine and experiences. And you can also create videos without even showing your face. There are so many content creators here that are making thousands of dollars through faceless YouTube channels. The primary goal should be focused on creating value for people, and then the money will come in. So if you're looking for a business idea that can make you passive income as well, YouTube is definitely an outlet that you can consider, and you don't have to show your face. You can do this completely faceless. There are different channels on here that literally will show you how to do anything without showing their face. If it's that you have knowledge in a particular subject, you can share that and you don't have to show your face again. You can use AI generated images, you can use free or stock photos on different websites in order to put your clips together. So, if it's a case where you are at home and you're looking to develop a business, you're looking to do something lucrative and something that can generate thousands of dollars per month, I will definitely recommend YouTube, because there are so many different ways that you can do the YouTube game without actually sitting in front of a camera or showing your face. The next business idea is remote cleaning. Now, if you're wondering how is it that you're going to do cleaning remotely, this is because you're not going to be doing any of the cleaning. You're going to be outsourcing that to independent contractors. Now, I'm going to show you how you can get this done in a couple of steps. Now, using a website like bark.com will allow you to find independent contractors for cleaning within a specific area. You will reach out to those independent contractors and find out their rates. Now, you're going to be acting as the middleman in this case, running a cleaning business. Now, what you're going to do is reach out to apartment buildings and property managers and find out if they need cleaning services. That's one way of doing it. Another way to do it is by running ads on Facebook and Google. Now, once you run these ads and people start contacting you, your job would be to coordinate the independent contractor cleaner and that company. So they would go in and do the cleaning, and you will charge a rate and collect the difference. So this is a unique business model, and I know that this is something that actually works because I have personally met a couple of people in this industry, and they're able to make over 200K a year doing something like this. So you have to be strategic about this. You have to ensure that the people that you're hiring, they have good ratings on these websites. They're able to perform some sort of background check. You also need to ensure that you have the proper marketing in place to do this. Now, the ideal platform to use for your remote cleaning business is a website like Booking Cola. It allows you to do everything from campaigns, smart scheduling, and also collecting your payments. And the platform has everything that you need in order to start your cleaning business. So you have website builders and online booking forms available. You have the option to hire people and have teams, also running campaigns and scheduling. So once you receive a client, they will be able to schedule using the app. If you've made it to the part of this video, then you are in for a surprise. Congratulations. I'll be sharing top secret business ideas that you can actually start to make over $30,000 per week. Yes, you've heard me right. Now, I'm going to share with you exactly what this is and how you can get started. So, I recently stumbled on this article by Yahoo Finance and Go Banking Rates with Dr. Wu, Jenny Wu, the founder and CEO of Mind Emotion, shares that she earned $30,000 a week in semi-passive income on Amazon, and here's what she did. In that article, she revealed that she earned $30,000 a week selling deck cards on Amazon. Now, we did our own homework and we found out that this is definitely possible, and I'm going to show you. Now, if you head on over to Amazon.com and type in card decks, you will see that there are a variety of them that are best selling on Amazon. You will see that there is 4K bought in the last month, 50,000 bought in the last month, 5,000 bought in the last month, which shows you that this is something that's definitely selling and is profitable. Now, here's how you're going to make money reselling these cards on Amazon. You want to go over to a site like Temu You will see on Temu that you can get a 12 pack of these cards for only $7.29. Over on Amazon, however, you can sell one of these cards for only $4.89. So starting a business like this, as you can see, doesn't require a lot of money. It only requires you to do strategic research in order to find the best item so you can sell it on Amazon. Another name for this is Amazon Retail Arbitrage, and it's where you basically find low selling items in a specific place and you sell it back on Amazon for a profit. But you have to ensure that these products that you're selling are actually worth putting on Amazon. There is an app called SellerAmp that will help you with this process. What you're going to do is go to their website, sign up for an account. It will allow you to analyze different products that is worth selling on Amazon before you actually go ahead and purchase them. If you're looking for the perfect business idea that you can scale starting out with little and you can scale to thousands of dollars per week, definitely look into selling these cards on Amazon. Now, if you are looking into a business idea that is around sales and marketing and helping companies, I will highly recommend consider being an AI specialist for these companies. Nowadays, companies are looking for the best ways in order to grow their business rapidly using AI. They're also looking for ways to increase the productivity in their marketing, sales, and customer service department. So if you're someone that has experience with marketing and sales, I'll highly recommend looking into getting certified as a Salesforce AI specialist. A website like SaaS Guru will do just that for you. If you head on over to their website, you will see that they have a course that allows you to become an AI specialist. And once you scroll down, you will see that they are rated and trusted by Trustpilot and Google reviews. And as an AI certified specialist, they will cover different things that you can do, such as data management, AI implementation strategies, and different Salesforce features that you can implement for these businesses. So there are a lot of businesses that are looking for people that will be able to make their conversions from their clients easier using AI, and not to mention also helping internally when it comes on to their employees. So we're looking at gamification programs that they can actually use in order to increase their employees' productivity and retain their employees and customers. So, if you are someone that's looking for a business idea, I will highly recommend doing something in the SaaS space that will help companies to grow better using the power of AI. So if you've taken the time out to watch this entire video, I want to say thank you, and you are on the path to success because I'm sure that something from this video today have helped you to understand that there's money to be made out there. Now, number 7 is one of them, and that is selling wedding guest books on Etsy. Now, there are many things that you can sell on Etsy, and I've chosen wedding guest books because I see potential. I see wedding going on every time of the year, and we're coming on to the springtime. And when it's springtime, we're going to have a lot of weddings going on. Not to say that wedding doesn't go on the entire year, but in specifically certain keywords that we want to use in order to rank on Etsy. So this one in particular is floral wedding guest books. And if you're wondering how is it that you're going to sell these types of books, I'm going to show you how easy you can get started with this by integrating Etsy and Printful. Now, Printful is a print-on-demand website that will allow you to create your designs and put them on any one of their products, and they will do the shipment and fulfillment. So you don't need to worry about holding inventory. You don't need to worry about shipping it out to the customers. They do all of that for you. What you need to worry about is creating the design and also the mock-up for your Etsy listing. And those were the 7 business ideas that you can get started with that can make you thousands of dollars per month. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up also. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so once I upload other videos, you will be notified. and I'll see you in my next video.